There are many products available to choose car glass cleaner, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best car glass cleaner from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Autoglym Fast Glass. Autoglym's glass cleaner does a great job of clearing greasy fingerprints and even dried-on dirt and bird muck. It can also be used on touchscreens and even plastic or acrylic windows. It's not cheap, but of the premium cleaners, this is up there with King of Sheen for effectiveness and crystal clear results with very little effort. It only missed out on the top spot here as King of Sheen is better value. Number 2. Meguiar's Perfect Clarity Glass Cleaner. The Meguiar's was very smeary compared with other premium glass cleaners. It needed a lot of buffing to get the glass properly clean as it seems to spread around rather than wipe off. The odd Play-Doh smell might not be for everyone too. It did leave the glass clean, but the other premium products here, and a few of the non-premium products, justify the cost much better. Number 3. CarPlan Number 1 Super Glass Cleaner. The CarPlan cleaner was virtually scent-free, which is an actual and refreshing change for a glass cleaner. It also does a good job of getting fresh and clean, but while it does the job you expect, it also doesn't really seem to cut through the dirt more or leave any more of a shine than some of the cheaper alternatives. It'll clean your glass for sure, but others are just as good if not better, and they'll cost less too. Number 4 Turtle Wax Clearview Glass Cleaner. This is one of those does-the-job cleaners. It took a bit of repeated spray and buff efforts on very dirty glass, but it still did a fine job overall, and this is the cheapest of our products. It leaves a stringent, vinegary smell for a while afterwards, but ultimately it does what you want glass cleaner to do, and at a very good price. Number 5. King of Sheen Glass. Sparkle. The King of Sheen cleaner smells a bit strong, but we'll forgive it because it makes such light work of the interior and exterior of our car's glass. It hardly needs any buffing to get greasy fingerprints and a film of dust of the inside of the car, and it cuts through mud splatters on the outside for a spotless finish. It's not the cheapest, but it's still good value, especially when you consider that you get a microfiber included in the price. You don't need much spray to do a lot of glass too, so it'll last a really long time.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.